Hi, my name is Andrea Burke. I'm a realtor with RE/MAX in Action, serving the Eastern Panhandle of West Virginia. Today I'm here to talk about the tax credits available, since we've had so many questions. I'm going to give you a little quiz and I'll give you the answers as we go along. Number 1, the $8,000 tax credit for first-time homebuyers ended November 30th, 2009. That's false. It's been extended. As long as you have a fully signed contract by April 30th and go to closing by June 30th, you're still eligible. Number 2, true or false? The most significant difference between the tax credits in 2009 and the one that Congress approved in July of 2008 is that the repayment feature is eliminated. That's true. You no longer have to repay it as long as you live in the house for 3 years. Number 3, true or false? To qualify for the full $8,000 tax credit, the house must be at least $80,000. That's true. It's 10% of the sales price, but the maximum is $8,000. Number 4, true or false? A first-time home buyer is someone who's never owned a home. That's false. If you've not owned a home in the last 3 years, you're eligible too. If you're married, they will test this for both spouses, so both of you need to have not owned a home in the last 3 years. Number 5, the maximum income that you can earn and still qualify for the $8,000 tax credit is $125,000 for single people and $225,000 for married taxpayers. That's true. Prior to November 9th, the limits were $75,000 and $150,000, so they've raised it, and that's good. Number 6, true or false? Only single-family homes qualify for the tax credit. That's false. Townhomes, condos, single-wides, double-wides, and houseboats also qualify as long as they're your primary residence. Number 7, vacation homes and rental homes do not qualify for the tax credit. That's true. Again, it must be your primary residence. Number 8, if my income tax liability is only $5,000, I won't see any refund as a first-time home buyer. That's false. Everyone's eligible as long as they meet the guidelines. Number 9, true or false? If I stay in my home at least 3 years, I do not have to pay the refund. Again, that's true. We mentioned that earlier. Number 10, to claim the tax credit, all I have to do is talk to my lender. Well, of course that's false. You must file the proper tax forms with the IRS. Now for the $6,500 tax credit. Number 1, true or false? You must have owned your home for 5 out of 8 consecutive years. That's true. And as with the $8,000 tax credit, the law tests the history of both the husband and the wife. Number 2, adjusted household income can't exceed $125,000 for single taxpayers and $225,000 for married taxpayers. That's true, same as the $8,000 tax credit. Number 3, there's no limit to the purchase price of the home. That's false. It can't be more than $800,000. Tough problem these days, eh? Number 4, you do not have to live in the home as the main residence. That's false. Same as with the $8,000 tax credit for first-time home buyers. It must be your primary residence. Last one, true or false? A double-wide boat or condo do not count as a home. Again, that's false. As long as it's your primary residence, it works the same as the $8,000 tax credit. So how'd you do? I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Call me anytime, Andrea Burke, 304-261-8517. I'd love to help you buy a house. Thank you.